Super easy. You take it off when you go to bed. You got your little meat meal braids. Put your bonnet on or your scarf and go about your business.
Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing a full review of this headband wig that I got on Amazon. It came in this satin bag, and this is what the hair looked immediately out of the pack. So as you can see, the curl pattern looked pretty defined. The curls were really lush and it looks really full. So I ain't mad at that. And so this is what the wig looks like at the front as far as the headband. It does have a Velcro strap. And what I really liked about this wig is that it came with wig clips as opposed to combs. And there's 3 wig clips at the front, and then there's 2 at the back. And then it has like a lace in the middle, which makes it breathable for your natural hair. So that was bomb to me. And then also the way that they constructed it as far as the tracks, they were really close together so they could put more hair on it, which is why the wig is so full. And it came with a wig cap, 3 headbands, and it also came with a scarf. So I did co-wash this with just some Kenra conditioner, and this is what it looked like. And it didn't have a funny smell. There wasn't any like weird color coming off of the hair, so I know it was in its natural state. It was unprocessed, and the curls were bomb. I was blown away at the quality of this hair that came from Amazon. There was a little bit of shedding like as I washed it, so you can see that this is how much hair came out, which was not a big deal. So I am going to let this hair air dry. I'm also going to let my own hair air dry, and I'll be back to show you guys what the hair looks like after install. So my hair is braided into 4 big braids to the back, but as you can see, since I started my braids further back, you can't see the parts towards the front of my hair, and I just put on the wig cap. So this is the hair after it's been completely dry. Now y'all see these curls? Bomb. The hair is super soft. The curls are super defined. I mean, I cannot believe how this hair looks and feels. It is truly bomb. By the way, wig clips are less tension on your hair, and this is a 14-inch wig.
I'm gonna put the 3 little clips in at the front, and then I like to pull the wig down and then put it in this way. The clip, and 1, 2, 3, and then I literally just pull this around and then pull this around and put it in place. Super easy. And the headband is not like real wide, so you can push it up if you want to. So boom, look at that hair. Look like a wash and go. So I'm gonna slick my little edges, and I'm just gonna use Eco Styler and some Silk Elements edge control and my little edge control brush.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
And that is it, y'all. You can wear it like this, or you can put like another headband around it. Typically, I don't even be putting no headband around it because this just looks like a black headband to me, so I just be kind of like straight. So I'm gonna show y'all the headbands that it came with. It's this red one. And then you just kind of pull it up. Super simple. I can't believe how easy these wigs is to put on. I want one in every texture. I need to chill. Like, wear the ones you got first instead of being a hoarder. So you can do it like that. So that's the red one. Boom. Cute little short little wig. Look at that. side is really, really full, and it's so soft, y'all. So soft. And you can straighten this out. I did flat iron a piece just to kind of see like would it revert back, and then flat ironed, and the hair was bomb and silky, and it curled right back up once I washed it. So you can wear it straight or you can wear it curly. That is always the plus about having like curly weave, because if you wear a curly weave, you can flat iron it. Straight hair, you just gotta wear it straight, or you can curl it. But I love buying curly hair for that reason. Curly hair is a lot more maintenance than straight hair, so that's another thing to keep in mind. Is you gotta keep it moisturized the same way you gotta keep your natural hair moisturized. And I've been wearing this wig for about 2 weeks now, just so I could give you guys like an honest review of like what I feel like the hair is like and how the hair has performed since I've had it. You do get a little bit of shedding, but only when I'm like washing it. There'll be like pieces that come out of the hair. When you wash your own hair, pieces come out, so that's not a big deal for me. And you do need to like wash and deep condition it. Well, not even deep condition, I would just say like at least wash it or co-wash it at least once a week, so that your curls look lush and they look defined and the hair is soft. But other than that, it's super easy. You take it off when you on the bed, you got your little meat meal braids, put your bonnet on or your scarf, and go about your business. And the way that I braided my hair, I do have like 4 braids, but I started my braids so far back so that way when I comb it, it just looked like it's all together like a ponytail, as opposed to it, you can see the parts through it. So that's a tip. So I'm gonna try on the other headband so that way y'all can see how they look.
Asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.
Kind of have like a little knot situation going on, so that's cute.
You never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you.
A leopard blend, and it kind of has like the same thing, like with the little knot, as opposed to it just being crisscross like that red one. So this is cute. It was free. Free is always cute. Not always, but you know what I'm saying. It's cute. I'm gonna show y'all the little scarf that it came with, because you can wear it with a scarf as well. So let me take this off. This is actually really cute. I didn't think I was gonna like that leopard one as much. It's actually cute. This is the little scarf that it came with. So this is a cute little thing. And you could probably tie this a couple of different ways. Like you could probably tie it up from the back and then kind of like, you know, tie it up like this, you know, tie it up again in the back. I think you could definitely tie this a couple of different ways. So you could do it like that, you know what I'm saying, and just have it tied in the back. You could probably do like a little bow type of thing. You know, that's a little bit too much for me, but you could tuck it and then just kind of have like a little bow situation. So you could tie this a couple of different ways. It is kind of stretchy, so that's nice. That's another thing to think about when it comes to these headband wigs, is that you can use a scarf and just tie it up. Tie the scarf up if you don't want to pull the headbands around the hair. Overall, 2 thumbs up. I'll be sure to link this wig down in the description box so that way you guys can check it out. Let me know, what did you think? Have you already started trying out headband wigs? I personally was like, is it really worth the hype? But honestly, I'm in love. The fact that you can literally just throw this on every day and it doesn't require nothing but 5 minutes of your time, and you on the go and you look put together, I'm down for that. I can get ready for work super quick. My hair is in a protective style. There's no heat on my own hair. It doesn't require me to put any heat on my hair, and my hair, I air dried it so it's in its natural state. And especially with this curly hair, it doesn't matter that my roots aren't necessarily straight, so another plus. So ultimately, I would say buy this wig. Now it did only go up to a 16-inch on Amazon, so if you want it to be longer, they didn't have a longer length in this style of wig. They had like 10-inch up to 16. Personally, I wanted something short because my hair is already long and I'll be wanting to take a break. And so for the summertime, this is something that I'm gonna try to preserve this, and I think it'll definitely last. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't think this is gonna be no wig that I'm gonna have to throw in the trash anytime soon, because the hair is bomb. I've had my fair share of some good curly hair, and this is very comparable to some hair that I was paying like $600 for. So if you want it to be fuller, you could definitely tease it and play with it some more, so that way it's a little bit bigger, it's not as flat. As the days go on, it does get bigger each day, the same way like your wash and go would, so that's another thing to keep in mind. But overall, 2 thumbs up, highly recommended. Headband wigs, I'm sold. And I do have another headband wig that's not human hair, that is a synthetic wig. So that way, for my ladies who don't want to spend as much money on a headband wig or just want to try it out to see how they like it, I have a synthetic wig review that's coming up in my next video, so be on the lookout for that, just in case you want to try a synthetic wig. And I also got that on Amazon. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like this hair or this video. And if you haven't already subscribed, I post weekly videos of hair, makeup, fashion, all things pretty. So if you hit the subscribe button, you can stay up to date with my latest videos. And comment down below and let me know, what are your thoughts on a headband wig? Personally, initially I was like, that ain't nothing but a half a wig. But boo, it's a little bit different than a half a wig. Now you can kind of do the half a wig the same way. If you look at one of my previous videos where I did like my everyday makeup, no makeup tutorial, that was a half a wig that I just braided my hair in the front and I put a headband in between, like where the half a wig and the wig start, but it was synthetic. So it's a little bit different, you know what I'm saying, in the sense that you can literally just pull your hair to the back and throw it on, but you could kind of get the same idea with the half a wig if you really wanted to. But me, baby, I'm sold on the headband wig. If you want to find me on Instagram, you can find me at ChicStyleYoYo, the same as my YouTube. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.